Stolen trade secrets and intellectual property theft are two of the most significant challenges facing companies today. But only a few of today's businesses, such as your company, give it the priority it well deserves. To deal with the specific issue of trade secrets and intellectual property theft, the Bar Group developed its Insider Threat Awareness Training course. The Bar Group's Insider Threat Awareness Training comprehensively covers all aspects of the law and the ramifications for violating the law. This training course was put together by some of the nation's foremost leading experts who have worked extensively in this area. They include former FBI agents, law enforcement, and business leaders, including a former Deputy Assistant Director of the FBI, John Slattery, and attorney David Strawn, who has developed extensive experience in intellectual property protection in his 38 years of practice. How would the loss of your organization's trade secrets and intellectual property impact your organization? According to a study by the law firm of Baker McKenzie, over 80% of top-level CEOs recognize the importance of trade secret and intellectual property protection. But still, the number of violations has continued to steadily climb upwards. It's very easy to think that these situations only happen to the other guys, the giant organizations, the technology industry, the pharmaceuticals, but never my organization. That is simply not true. More than 1 in 5 companies have experienced theft of their trade secrets or intellectual property. You may be thinking, how can you minimize the risk for your organization? I'm sure you have in place non-disclosure agreements, you identify and mark documents as confidential, and you limit the access to confidential information. While those are important, the real answer is through the education of your staff and all the legal aspects of trade secrets and intellectual property, and emphasizing the legal ramifications for violating these laws. Amazingly enough, some employees believe if they participated in the development of a product, service, formula creation, a customer list, whatever, they deserve the right to utilize this information as they well choose. Awareness of the trade secret and intellectual property laws and the penalties for violating the laws can be a huge deterrent to anyone considering any illegal behavior. In all cases, education is your organization's first line of defense, so your workforce understand the trade secret and intellectual property laws and the ramification for violating those laws, and also they can identify and report any suspicious behavior within your organization early on. Identifying suspicious behavior is an area where the Bar Group specializes, having helped numerous accounting, insurance, pharmaceutical, energy, and information technology companies with this sensitive issue. To deal with the specific issue of trade secrets and intellectual property theft, the Bar Group developed its Insider Threat Awareness Training course. The Bar Group's Insider Threat Awareness Training comprehensively covers all aspects of the law and the ramifications for violating the law. This training course was put together by some of the nation's foremost leading experts who have worked extensively in this area. The Bar Group's Insider Threat Awareness Training course is not a PowerPoint slide presentation, but uses enhanced training techniques with corresponding graphics and timed fly-in bullets that significantly reinforce the presenter's message. Also, one of the functions in our training course that sets it apart is an embedded testing function to ensure that each employee acknowledges and certifies their understanding of trade secret and intellectual property law. The test results are archived and may be reviewed by management if needed. In review, 1. Trade secrets and intellectual property theft threaten all organizations, yours included. 2. A significant number of trade secret and intellectual property theft can be eliminated through education. And 3, the bar group's insider threat awareness training written by recognized experts in their field will provide the needed education. The cost of educating your workforce on the law and the legal ramifications for violating the law is minuscule when compared with the disastrous financial effect of stolen trade secrets and intellectual property. So what now? You need to act. The future of your organization could be at stake. I would like to follow up with you personally to discuss the bar group's training solutions. Thank you for your time today. I look forward to our conversation.